Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given this formula, which is often used by project managers to compute E, the estimated time to complete a job, where O is the shortest completion time, P is the longest completion time, and M is the most likely completion time. We're asked which of the following correctly gives P in terms of E, O, and M. So if we just rewrite this equation right here, we don't have to actually worry about the backstory, right? We don't have to worry about what E means, whatever. All we have to do is we have to give P in terms of E, O, and M. That means just solve for P. So we want to get P on its own. First thing we can do is multiply both sides by 6. What that does, these cancel and you have no denominator. So this side we just have O plus 4M plus P. And on this side we have 6 times E, which is just 6E. And we want to get P on its own. So if we subtract O, we subtract 4M. From this side, these all cancel. And we're just left with P. Of course, you have to do the same thing on both sides to keep it even. So on this side, we have 6E minus O minus 4M. And then just flipping the sides, so we have P equals, right? It doesn't actually change anything with the equation, but it's going to match one of our answers here. 6E minus O minus 4M. This is equal to A, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.